Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. Okay, first things first, use your Amazon gift card balance to purchase an item from your Amazon. You can then resell that item on Amazon's marketplace. This way, you can convert your gift card balance into cash. Another option is to look for the sell on Amazon feature. Often, Amazon allows users to sell their gift cards on the platform. To explore this option, just click the three-dot menu and look for Sell on Amazon or a similar feature. If you are uncertain about the process or need assistance, consider reaching out to Amazon's customer service. To do this, click on the three-dot menu and select Contact Support or a similar option. You can then discuss your issue with customer service to seek guidance. Lastly, you can also explore other websites and platforms dedicated to buying and selling gift cards. Use your web browser to search for Sell Amazon Gift Card or similar terms. You'll then find various websites where you can sell your gift card and have the balance transferred to your bank account. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.